The meaning behind the Native American headdress. The Native American headdress is not just an accessory, it is a deeply sacred and significant symbol. Traditionally, these headdresses were reserved for leaders, warriors, and elders who had earned great respect within their tribes. Each feather in a headdress was awarded as a mark of bravery, wisdom, or service to the community. The act of receiving a feather was an honor, often accompanied by a ceremony. Some tribes viewed headdresses as spiritual objects, believed to carry prayers and protect the wearer. Understanding this cultural significance helps us appreciate why the headdress is so revered. There are many different styles of Native American headdresses, each unique to various tribes and traditions. The most widely recognized is the war bonnet, often associated with Plains tribes like the Lakota, Cheyenne, and Crow. These headdresses, adorned with eagle feathers, were typically worn by chiefs and warriors during ceremonies. The roached headdress, made from porcupine hair and sometimes dyed bright colors, was common among warriors and dancers. The buffalo horn headdress, used by leaders of some Plains tribes, symbolized great power and spiritual connection. Other styles, like the feathered bandeau and beaded headpieces, showcase the rich diversity of Native American cultures. Eagle feathers hold immense spiritual significance in Native American culture. The eagle is seen as a messenger between humans and the Creator, representing strength, courage, and wisdom. Because of this, receiving an eagle feather is one of the highest honors within many tribes. Each feather in a headdress was earned through acts of bravery or service, and wearing them was a testament to the individual's achievements. The feathers were often blessed in ceremonies, reinforcing their sacred nature. This is why eagle feathers and headdresses are treated with the utmost respect and should never be worn casually or as mere fashion statements. Not everyone in a Native American tribe wore a headdress. These were traditionally reserved for those who demonstrated leadership, bravery, and wisdom, such as chiefs, warriors, and elders. The process of earning a headdress could take years, as each feather represented an act of great significance. Some tribes allowed women to wear headdresses, particularly those who held positions of influence or spiritual importance. In many cases, wearing a headdress was a privilege that required lifelong dedication to the well-being of the community. This makes the headdress not just an object, but a representation of honor and responsibility. In modern times, Native American headdresses have often been misrepresented and appropriated in fashion, entertainment, and pop culture. Many people wear imitation headdresses at festivals or events without understanding their deep cultural and spiritual significance. This can be seen as disrespectful by Native communities, as the headdress is not merely a costume, but a sacred symbol earned through great achievement. Today, Native leaders and activists work to educate the public about the true meaning of the headdress and advocate for its respectful representation. By learning about its history and significance, we can appreciate and honor this important cultural tradition rather than misusing it.